guys, welcome to my channel Chiku Kids. Today we learn colors and alphabets. A, B, C, D. Alphabets and colors. Let's start with colors. Wow, there is many colors. Let's start colors. Red color, orange color, yellow color, green color, blue color, dark blue color, purple color, pink color, brown color, black color, gray color, white color. Let's start draw colors. First draw A. A for apple. B. B for broccoli. C. C for cherry, red color. D. D for donuts, green color. Wow. Apple. This apple leaf. Broccoli, green color, apple red color, broccoli green color, cherry, red color, donuts. Wow kids, if you like my video and subscribe my channel and like my video. Bye bye kids, see you next video.